What's up guys, it's me or Geek here, the top 5 Motorola Moto M case. The number 5th case is from Simo, a beautiful case. Do it in an introduction? I don't think so. Number 4 case is from Micro P, a simple robotic style case with a built-in kickstand. And number 3 is from JE Tech, a simple beautiful with a fake carbon fiber style, but still it gets the job done. Amazing case for the value of money. And number 2 case is from Skimmy, a simple beautiful case, a flip case. And number 1 my okay there is some mistake. Okay, anyway, there will be a case from same company for the Motorola M4. I mean literally M. Yeah, I mean let me just search it for you. Okay, copy, paste. Let me show you. Anyway, sold out. Yeah, I mean there was a case same like this, but for the Motorola again, if you can find and grab it. And it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and